Hey, do you know why a scarecrow is great at giving health advice? Because he's outstanding in his field. Alright folks, let's get serious. Today I'm diving into the world of diets. Specifically, fad diets versus personalized nutrition. Now, fad diets, we've all heard of them. Keto, paleo, juice cleanses, they promise quick results. But do they actually work? Here's the thing, they often fail in the long run. Why? Because they're one-size-fits-all. Imagine wearing a suit tailored for someone else. It doesn't fit, right? That's what a fad diet feels like. Uncomfortable and unsustainable. On the flip side, personalized nutrition is like having a suit custom made. It's tailored to your body, your lifestyle, your genetic makeup. It takes into account your individual needs. And guess what? It works. Studies show that personalized nutrition can lead to better health outcomes. It's backed by science, tailored to you. Whether it's adjusting your macros or considering your gut health, it's all about what your body actually needs. So, how do you get started? Well, you can work with a nutritionist or use apps that analyze your health data. The key is to listen to your body and make adjustments accordingly. Don't get sucked into the latest diet craze. Think long-term. Think personalized. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Catch you in the next one.